Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day, and great week. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 8, NASDAQ up 1, S&P's up 2, gold contract up $5.60, trading at $12.33 an ounce. Silver up 16 cents, $16.09 an ounce. Platinum up $4.90, trading out at $9.26 an ounce. You have copper up 3.5 pennies at $2.72 a pound. Light sweet crude down 55 cents, $46.20 a barrel. Notes. 10-year note up 1 tick, 125.22. 30-year bond up 2 ticks, 152.22. King dollar down 40 ticks, finished at another new low, 94.890. King dollar, folks, is making its way down into the 92 to 91 area. And if we break that area, you're going to be at 88, and that is quite a move. We've gone from 103. We started election night at 96. Went up to 103 by January 3rd, straight down since January 3rd. Euro, the euro is trading at 114.83, almost 115 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112.5 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You have the lightest volume day that I've found in a long time, folks, in the SPY. You've done 27 million shares. You're going into Friday that had 60 million. You actually took out the high on Friday that 132 million. So pretty anemic. Dow Industrials. What do we have with the Dow? Dow Industrials, same type of setup. And what you can't expect, no doubt, Mondays and Fridays in the summer, it's going to be slow. This Friday, however, you have option expiration. So I expect you're going to have volume and option expiration. We have earnings all week. We have bank numbers tomorrow morning. Netflix just come out. I'll give you Netflix. And we also had SCSS. This is Select Comfort. I believe it's a mattress maker. Yeah, Select Comfort. So inside the Dow Industrials, same type of setup in the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials, flat market out here. And then NASDAQ Composite, also flat market. And what we will have right now is that when we take a look at this, whoa, what did I just do there? 1 second, sorry about that. There we go. When we take a look at the composite got to a price point today of 63.30. You're at 63.14. The QQQs, they closed out at a price point of 142.19. Right now, they're trading at 142.40. And what that's about, let me go look at this 142.40 first. So the number they had to close over is 142.29. So it's going to be intriguing is this. They got over it. They closed under it, which is a failure. That being said, now let's go over to Netflix. And we go take a look at Netflix. What you have with Netflix is this. Netflix right now is trading at a price point of, it closed at 161.70. That is trading at 174. And if you were with us on the first hour, folks, bottom line, if you are with us on the first hour, what Netflix was doing, it was pushing into its swing point, and it did have volume as it was pushing in. Right now, you're at 13,500,000. It had about 10 million as it was pushing into a 10.2 million day. So Netflix closed at 161.70. You're trading up at a 174 right now. That's going to be another all-time high. And this is where the numbers are in Netflix. So Netflix, there she is. It's a big number too. Where are you? Okay, so come on, there it is. So total net streaming ads. So check this out. This is how much they added just in 90 days. The estimate was that they were going to add 3.99 million. They added 4.4 million accounts in 90 days, folks. Their revenue, the estimate was 2.76 billion. They took in 2.78 billion. What's intriguing here is that what they're saying is that they evidently planned on taking in even more because it's saying that they missed profit estimates. But bottom line is that is pretty intense what they took in, period. We got to take a look at the gold contract out here. Gold contract caught a bid out here today. Gold contract trading up $7. That little baby is all about the U.S. dollar. And, what we haven't had yet is that we haven't had a real explosion on price inside the gold market. We're up by $5.70. You have we're at $12.33. I expect $12.60 is going to be the number that we'll see whether it slows down at that $12.60 level, or we build some more cars in order to get to higher price. We go over and we take a look at that dollar for a second. What you're going to see is just pure destruction. The thing that's amazing about this dollar is that, like, what is coming down the pike that our dollar bottom line is getting so weak. And we haven't heard this, basically pushing in the media, pushing in the newspapers, financial newspapers at all. And so the reason I'm bringing that up, that means it can go a lot lower, because most times when everyone starts talking about that we have such a weak dollar again, that's when you start seeing a turnaround. Thus far, this baby, there's just no buyers. We had 94.89. It broke with conviction last week. We went from 95.960 to 94.870. That's setting up that can get down to 92.91 pretty quickly. And I suspect that the way that everything is trading right now, it looks like it's going to actually do that. What we did do tomorrow morning, let's go look at Bank of America tomorrow morning. So Bank of America tomorrow morning is going to be coming out with numbers. Bank of America closed at 24.02, and that doesn't look like it's going to catch a bid also. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow Industrials finished down 8. NASDAQ up 1.5. S&Ps are up 2. Netflix numbers trading up about $10. We're going to be right back.